Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a neck wrap pullback. Now, as long as you're an intermediate standard dancer, you're ready for this. There are no particular moves you need to know to be ready to do this one. So we'll jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. Starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle off in the hand. We need to be in 2 hands by the time we're back. We're going to do a travelling return, which means, guys, we're getting out of the way to the left. We're going to bring the lady forwards. Both hands go up, turning the lady to the left. We get to the far side, and now we're in a double cross position, which basically means we both have our arms crossed. We start lady walking forwards. Our left hand, guys, is going to slide up the lady's arm to her shoulder. Because your arms are crossed, people often make mistakes about which hand is which, so do double check yourselves. Left slides up to the lady's shoulder. As she walks through, we're walking past as well. We take the right over the top, so we're coming from the side to get to the far shoulder. We let the lady out to full stretch as we're heading across the back. At this point, guys, we're starting the lady walking backwards. We get out of the way over to the right. We let go with the left hand. It slides across the shoulders, back down the arm, and we're back into 2 hands. So we're already on the other side. Let's do it again and think about the numbers, the timing. So we go semicircle, back and offer. 1. We start the lady into a travelling return. 2. We get into the double cross. 3. We're walking the lady forwards with the combs. 4. We get to full stretch. 5. Bring the lady back. 6. And slide to close. 7. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a neck wrap, pull back. It's a back, over the top, double cross, combs, lean, slide and catch. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it useful and fun out on the dance floor. If you are enjoying what we're doing, do please put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you hit the notification bell, you will also find out every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.